Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Audi Q3. So from any screen, if you go into menu, you can navigate to telephone like so, or if you just click telephone, you've got there's no phones connected to it at the moment. You've got settings in the corner or search for new mobile. Now each instruction in the corner corresponds to one of these four buttons next to the rotary control. So settings in the bottom right hand corner, click the bottom right hand button, settings. You've got telephone settings there, and then you've got Bluetooth. Now we turn it down to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. There you've got Bluetooth on. If you're having trouble pairing a mobile, do the same thing and make sure that there is an on next to Bluetooth. If you click that, you can knock it off like so. So what you want to do, turn on, and that's it. And another thing you need to watch out for, if you can't play audio, you need to make sure that on is next to Bluetooth audio player. Anyway, it's trying to connect to my phone there. So we wind down here to bonded Bluetooth devices. Click on there, you'll see Barry's iPhone. Now I want to delete that, so click on it, and you've got delete device, hands-free or connect. I want to delete. Do you really want to delete? Yes. The device is being deleted, please wait. That's it, gone.